Hello everyone and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about Jira subaccount from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow app for your Jira account. So how do we set it up? Within your subaccount, come here at the app marketplace and you search for Jira subaccount, install, allow install, and you have three information required like the email address, the API token, and the domain. How do we get all those information? As you notice, we have some smart queue here that's going to help you get all those information. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Jira platform. Inside Jira, you go at menu, profile, you come here at manage your account, you come up here at security, API tokens. So you go on create and manage API tokens. You create API token and let's say my API token we create. We have our new API token. We copy, we switch so our sub account, we paste it. We can already type the email address that we use to log in our Jira platform, the one that I used. And now let's go and look for the domain. We switch back, down. We come up here at more product settings and we have the domain. So we copy, paste it, continue, confirm, complete installation, and there we go. We have uninstall, which means that the tool is already connected to our Jira platform. So now, guys, we're able to execute actions directly from our workflow apps for our Jira platform. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a support team who is very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to GHL Plugin.